At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are doing great. Well, in the morning here, the Independent Commission of Investigation. You don't know who is the Independent Commission of Investigation? That's Indicom. So right now, Indicom is expressing fears that the country is on track to see the most people killed by the security forces in more than a decade. Wanna hear that? Wanna hear that? I don't want me to repeat it. The Independent Commission of Investigation, which is Indicom, is expressing fears that the country is on track to see the most people killed by the security forces in more than a decade. So right now, they must say, it is a trend. It is a trend, my wisdom warriors. And remember, me always come out and say it, though. Me always come out and say it, and say Indicom come out and I say the same thing, my wisdom warriors. See Indicom come out and I say the same thing. Me always tell you, say police them a kill off the people them. Me always say it. Me always say it, and me don't know how some people now see that. Like the labor right them. I don't know how comes they not seeing that. All after a sudden, gunman a face them and a do shout out. All after a sudden, all after a sudden. I want to look into these things in Jamaica. I want to see say, and not only we the bloggers out here concerned, Indicom, the Independent Commission of Investigation, will deal with the police forces, investigate the police forces for crime and violence. Them is totally concerned. And here they are expressing fears. Then if the Indicom is expressing how them feel and them scared, this and that will happen, police are going to kill off the Jamaican people, how them think the Jamaican people are going to feel? Because if the Indicom is so concerned and is expressing fears, them afraid, them worried for the Jamaican people, we have to worry for ourselves in Jamaica. We have to worry for ourselves because under Andrew Holness administration, at first them are something happen, At first them are something happen. And it's all happening underneath Andrew Holness administration. This is a disgrace. This is concerning. This is worrying. And something need to be done about this. Something need to be done about this. A long time we have said remove Horace Chang. Now they get one man named Kevin Blake, police commissioner. Him not do nothing. What does he bring to the table? What does he bring to the table? Andrew Holness need to go because Andrew Holness cannot control crime in a Jamaica, so he need to go. His strategy where he might use, it's not working. Andrew Holness strategy that he's using Jamaica, it is not working. It is not helping the people of Jamaica. It's not helping. Honestly, that the only time you see Zozo is after the killing happened. After the incident happened, then you see Zozo. That not make no sense. That cannot help. You have to put something in place. You have to implement something so the crime can reduce. Boy, my wisdom warriors, it is bad. It is bad, Jamaica. Una have to just be careful. That's the only thing we can tell you. Now, nowadays, we can't even be too careful. That's one next thing. Because people have to go about them business. People have to go about them business. But, I blame Andrew Holness. I blame Horace Chang. Because Horace Chang come out and say shoot to kill. Andrew Holness come out and say meet thy maker. This is why the people them are dead. This is why. It is sad. I really feel sorry for my country. I really feel sorry for the people them. It is really sad. Something needs to be done about this. That's why I ask enough to get up and protest against all these things. Something needs to be done. It's too much Jamaica. Anyway, want to tell me how you really feel about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. My wisdom warriors, me have some video clip for you to watch because don't sent me a return up. Lord, last night. When me telling you, say don't sent me a return up. It turn up till it buck. Listen, when you see people come out in a rain, you know say I change people want, Yeah, man. You know say I change people want. My wisdom warriors. Take in my
son, go in.
Easy. Pull up. Comrade Chairman, comrades on the platform, comrade workers, warriors, supporters on a rainy night here in Anatomy. First of all, I want to say enough respect to each and everyone who is still standing in the rain. We don't take them things for granted. And I'm not going to talk for long. Comrades, we want this constituency of Southeast St. Mary back in the column of the People's National Party. I want to say to Comrade Lorraine Ferguson, respect you. I'm glad that things have worked out in a way that we are one family, same way. And I love to see the progress being made by the man who has been chosen to represent you when the time comes in the next election. A young Jamaican in whom we are all pleased and well proud because he's a brilliant man and he has the heart for the people and he will represent you well. So comrades, we don't want one, we don't want two, we want all three in St. Mary. Because we want to see development come to the parish. And we need Southeast to be uplifted. It can't be at the back of the line. We want the parish as a whole to move forward. It has so much potential in tourism, in agriculture, and in other industries that can come here if the infrastructure of which you spoke comes, Chris Brown, if that is brought to the parish and to the constituency. So I say to each and every one of you, deliver Chris Brown to Garden House so that he can be with me in Garden House when we form government. Thank the Lord. And when I see our platform here tonight and the quality who is on the platform and who is here and the unity in the party, I know we are one great unstoppable force and we will be moving forward resolutely and with passion to deliver a better Jamaica for all of our people. The people of Jamaica are tired of our government that has failed them to make the economy move forward into positive growth on a sustained and rapid basis. Fail them to bring governance in which the people can have trust and confidence. Fail them to provide an education system and a health system which treats the people of Jamaica with respect and allows us to reach our true potential of greatness. The next People's National Party government is going to be a people-centered party and a people-centered government. We are going to look at the critical areas which are holding our country back, and we're going to tackle them with fervor and with passion because we want to solve these problems and allow Jamaica to move forward into a better place, a place where our children and grandchildren can stay here and make life for themselves and don't have to run, go a foreign and join the brain drain. This is what we're about. This is what we have always been about. This is the Manless Party, Michael Manless Party, PJ Patterson and Portia and Dr. Peter Phillips and now Iman, and it's one thread of philosophy about empowerment and upliftment, because we always say, what do we say? Power to the people, power to the people, power to the people. Comrades, one love, the word is love. And I just want to conclude the proceedings by formally introducing to you a man in who I am well pleased, a man who it is an honor for me to present you as your candidate in the next general election for this great constituency of Southeast St. Mary. Your candidate, Comrade Christopher Brown.
Hear this? This don't stop there.
Forward together, comrades. Forward victory. Put in the work and bring him home. I'm depending on you, and you can depend on I and I. One love.
This don't stop there. All months and years of
Comrades.
My wisdom warriors, when me telling us the place up like 7. Yeah, man, the people them want a change, man. The people them really want a change. Take in more.
In the rain. We don't take anything for granted. And I'm not going to talk a lot. Comrades, we want this constituency of Southeast St. Mary back in the palm of the People's National Party. I want to say to Comrade Lorraine firstly, respect you. I'm glad that things have worked out in a way that we are one family, same way. And I love to see the progress being made by the man who has been chosen to represent you when the time comes in the next election. A young Jamaican in whom we are all pleased and well proud because he's a brilliant man and he has the heart for the people and he will represent you well. So comrades, we're standing in the rain.
So there you go, my wisdom warriors, my well-thinking Jamaican, and sister, the people them out, up and running in the rain. Victory them say. Victory them say, my wisdom warriors. Victory right through. Me love how the St. Mary people them come out. St. Mary people, on a big up on yourself. My wisdom warriors. Tell me what you think. Put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My people, I want to go over to my other channel. It is called PNP News Round. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Get me to 5K subs. Blessings upon blessings. One love.